I just remembered. I just do my homework. Did you?
Yes, but there's one question I didn't read.
Which one is that?
Did number 9 get so hard, man?
Me also. I
So
struggle with it one.
Me too. I did tell my mother, but the mother gave the answer to me. I was cheating. And I said, you see, Tyler. Whoa. Whoa, guys, who's that? That's a freaking monster. And what's that? Is that our gems? Whoa, whoa. Oh, Tyler, I'm gonna kick this guy. God. Yo, give me my energy. Morphin time. Ready. Release power. This guy's strong. I'm gonna run away.
Kijk, die wacht ja, sushi. Hij zit hier. Final blow.
Ik ben ook klaar. Tang aan reseta hoor.
Oké. Final blow. Most hardest person in the world. I just defeated him.